Here we are in the lovely Queen Charlotte. There's souped up Gary, grabbing his gear. He's got himself parked up Gary. Cut a tree up. He doesn't know what to do with it. Sat back, left it overnight, and said, "Oh, what do I do?" What do you think, Gary? Talk to the camera. Yeah. This is our lovely patch. Just to show Reg, it's just punkin'. 5-footers, 6-footers. Yeah. There we go. Everything's 341-footers. Well, at least where I'm cutting. Well, where's the wind, eh? It was blowing really good.